What is the name?
My name is Sarvagya.
So please tell you about yourself.
So I am belong to Riva,
Mhm.
and I have completed my graduation from Riva. Then I have completed my post graduation in MCA in 2023. After that, I am working as an intern to Skill Hub from last 6 months.
Sarvagya, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, gardening, cooking, etc.
Okay. What are your strengths?
My strength is I am hardworking, perseverant, and focused person.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is sometimes I take much time to do a task, but I can overcome it.
Sarvagya, what are the languages you have covered during your social development certification?
I have covered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.Js as a framework in front-end technology, etc.
Are you a freshman and you have any experience?
I have experience of 6 months working as an intern
What is
in
it
ProScaler.
you're looking for?
Sorry,
What is the name of the company you're working for?
I am working for ProScale Hub
Okay.
in Riva.
For how long you are working for the company?
I am missing out what you have asked.
Okay. So have you made any projects?
Yes, I have made 3 projects. Uh, First is weather app, and second is one stack e-commerce application based on full stack application.
Okay, explain your
That is
recent.
based on React. That is based on React application.
Okay. Explain your recent project, please.
Uh, my full stack project is e-commerce app, which is based on React application, and it has many functionalities like add to cart and payment gateway and login sign up, etc.
Okay. What is React hooks?
React hooks. Okay. React hooks are the objects in React.Js, which has the functionalities uh, of use state and use effect. These are the major hooks which are used in React hook. And use state is used for setting the variables and to initialize the variable. And through use state, we can initialize the value like 0, 1, false, whether it is depend on the application of our product. And it has also a use effect property through which we can get the data in initial time to represent on our application.
Okay. What is the difference between props and state?
Okay. Props are an object in React.js which we can transfer the data from parent component to child component. And states are the objects React.js through which we can initialize the variables, use state, and set variables and set the values in variables. This is the difference between state and hooks and props. Sorry, in React.js.
What is stateful and stateless components?
Okay. Uh, stateful components are the uh, components which are class-based components. These are stateful components, and stateless components are the components which are functional-based components. And uh, for that, we use state and use effect because they are stateless. That's why we use state and use. And in class-based components, we don't need state and use. They are stateful components.
So what is the purpose of fragments?
Okay. Fragments is used to wrap the components, wrap the JSX basically. All the codes inside it are wrapped in a single fragment through which it runs in our React application.
What is NVM?
NVM NVM is node version manager, which we can set the version of our React application, and we can update the version through it by installing it in our application.
What is use memo?
Use memo is a React hook which is used to memorize data in React application. Use memo uses a cache memory because cache memory is very fast operating system through which all the data which is used frequently are stored in cache memory, that is use memo hook. This is the use of use memo hook.
What is npm?
npm is node package manager. All the packages installed are installed this code modules and in npm code package manager which are used in our React application.
What is the difference between proxy and refs?
I'm missing out what you have asked.
Sorry.
I'm missing what you have asked.
Okay. What is the difference between proxy and refs?
No idea.
Okay. What is Axios?
Okay. Axios is basically used for API calling. The data from backend, frontend are transferred through Axios calling. We have to install npm I Axios in our terminal, which is installed in our package.json, and through it we have to import Axios in our React application, in our JXX code, which we can transfer the data from backend frontend, and it is basically used for API calling.
Okay. How is virtual DOM is different from the real DOM?
Virtual DOM is basically used in React application. Virtual DOM is a blueprint of real DOM, which all our React application works. And React application is a single page application. That's why.
Okay. What is JSX?
JSX is a JavaScript syntax extension. All the codes written after return keyword are written in JSX form, and they are written in the form of curly braces, basically.
Use state hook.
Use state hook. Okay. Use state hook is used for initializing the variables in it and set the variable, and we can initialize the values in state hook like 0, 1, 2. It depends on which type of action we are making.
Okay. What is the use of use effect hook?
Use effect hook is to get the initial data initial time. When we have to show the data initially our application, and it has also a dependency array. We can set the dependency in it, and on the basis of that dependency.
What is promises?
Promises is used for asynchronous. We have to see that some asynchronous operation is completed or not. Promises.
How do you create an Axios instance?
Firstly, we have to install an Axios application by installing an Axios, and backend we have to use Axios, and we are using another application. We make a callback function in controller, and that controller is Axios for API calling, and that Axios is included in content in as a React application. The data in backend can be getting in API calling content. It's the use of Axios. And Axios is also used for CRUD operations like .put, Axios.delete, etc.
How to make a post request?
We have to write Axios.post, then curly parenthesis, and inside it we have to write the link. We can send the post request to the backend. Post request means we have to create it. We have to create a data in backend.
What is JSON?
JSON is JavaScript object notation. It is in the form of curly braces and written in the form key value pair. And key value pairs both are written in inverted commas.
What is Ajax?
This is also used for transferring the data for API calling. It is asynchronous JavaScript and XML.
What is hosting?
But nowadays we use Axios for API calling. Better and fast than Ajax.
Okay. How to create a custom use Axios hook?
Custom used Axios hook.
Hmm.
You can make it directly by importing it in our application. Put Axios from Axios, and we have to write the private operation. Which type of private operation we write? Get, put, it, Axios.get.
What is hoisting in JavaScript?
It means setting the input at the top of the function. We have to write a function automatically host to top hosting in JavaScript.
Okay. What is the difference between package log.json and package.json?
All the packages dependencies are installed package.json for running a React application. Package.json file which is locked. Files which are not used in React application are automatically locked. When we install React application, log.json automatically created. Files which are not used are stored there.
What is callback function?
A callback function is an executable code that is for giving the API calling. It has also a request and response, and you can send the API callback.
Okay. Sarvagya, why do you want to switch the company?
I want to enhance my skill. I want to in IT skill that I work better. And